Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share one easy recipe which you guys can make it at your home very easily. So today we are going to share the recipe of how to make leftover veggies in the fridge with rice. So here is the broccoli and carrot, some cauliflower, small piece of cauliflower and capsicum. So these are all the leftover veggies in the fridge. So we removed these veggies and we are going to make the yummy rice. So basically we can call as vegetable pulao. So for this recipe, what you need some soaked basmati rice. So we have to soak this basmati rice for at least 30 minutes and I'm going to cook it in the microwave. So for 1 cup of basmati rice, we have to add 2 cups of water or 1.5 cups of water. So yeah, so I soaked this rice for 30 minutes and I'm going to cook this one in the microwave for 10 minutes. And in the meanwhile, I'm going to chop all these veggies for the vegetable rice or pulao. So yeah, so you can add anything, right? Any veggies, guys. You can add paneer also in this vegetable rice. So that is up to your choice. Hey guys, I added the water in the rice and I'm going to add this lavang. So can you see? I'm going to add this one. It gives the nice taste in the pulao. So I'm going to cook it in the microwave. So I kept it in the microwave and I'm going to cook this rice for 10 minutes. So first we have to cook this one. Hey guys, here I chopped all the veggies. So I'm going to cook this one. Hey guys, take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil becomes a little bit hot, you have to add these cumin seeds, that is jeera, and you can add the shahi jeera too. And I'm going to add all these veggies and I'm going to wash this one. Then I'm going to add all these things in the pan. Okay guys, I added all the veggies in the pan, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to sprinkle some water into this and cook for 5 minutes. This is very easy recipe guys, so you can try this recipe at your home. And I'm going to cook these veggies for 5 minutes and I'm going to cover this one with the lid after sprinkling some water. Okay guys, I'm going to add some water into this and I'm going to cover this one with the lid. Okay guys, I covered this one with the lid. Okay guys, here my veggies are nicely cooked and it's time to add the salt, the masala powder like the turmeric powder, chili powder and salt up to your taste. Okay guys, I added some peas after adding all the masalas. I didn't add the garam masala. I add only chili powder and salt. Then I added the peas and I'm going to mix this one very well. Then after 2 minutes, I'm going to add the basmati rice, which is nicely cooked in the microwave. Hey guys, can you see my rice is nicely cooked? And I'm going to add this one in the veggies. Hey guys, I added the rice in the veggies. So this is nicely cooked. So yeah, so it's time to put it in the serving plate. Hey guys, this is a quick video of how to make leftover veggie fried rice at your home for dinner or for lunch, and you can make any side dish like raita, but today we are going to have this one with potato chips. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you soon in my another cooking video. Bye.